So that's the digital lock, which is locked. We've got a key for the top. So it must defeat that lock. Okay, so drill bit stopped drilling, so I can measure the depth. So we are about 15mm deep. That's about 100mm or 90mm thick. Okay, so take the drill bit out, resharpen it, and carry on. Okay, so second drill bit has gone blunt. It's given me about 2mm. So let's drill 2mm before it's gone blunt. So take it out and resharpen. Okay, so about 15 minutes of drilling, give or take. We have got just under 25mm deep. So carry on drilling, sharpening and drilling. Okay, we're about 27mm in, and 3 drill bits are damaged now. And this one is blunt, but if you can see, it's got something stuck to the end of it. That is aluminium. So the aluminium is designed, when it gets hot, it sticks to drill bits. So ideally it would be to keep the hole cold. Okay, it's been about 40 minutes since we started, and we're about 45mm in. So checking the details, I think this is about 120mm we need to go through. But this is the hardened barrier we're going through in a minute. Okay, so about 50 minutes in, and we are 50mm deep. So we need to drill about 120mm. So continue drilling. I'm going to drill by hand instead of using the limpet now. Okay, so we've just broke through the main barrier material, so that's saying it is 100mm, which is 4 inches, and that's taken about an hour and 25 minutes to drill that hole. So we've still got to drill a bit further and get into the lock, but that's the main barrier material.